Consumers who were already hit hard by rising petrol and diesel prices are now going to shell more money for cooking at home today. That's right. The price of cooking gas has now increased. The oil marketing companies have increased the price of cylinder, the domestic gas cylinder, by ₹25 per cylinder today. A 14.2 kg of cylinder in Delhi will now cost 794 rupees as against the 769 rupees that you were paying until yesterday. This is the third time, remember, that the prices have been increased in the month of February alone. LPG cylinder prices were first increased in the month of February on 4th by ₹25, then on 15th by ₹50, and now a 25 rupees increase once again. In December, the price of domestic cylinders increased by an overall of 100 rupees. National oil marketing companies like Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL and HPCL had then increased the price by 50 rupees twice in December. Even though they left the prices untouched in January, the latest change means that you and I will have to pay 200 rupees more on cylinders as opposed to 3 months ago. Who will this price rise affect? It will affect the retail consumers. It will affect us, the people who have given up their subsidy. The government has, however, said that for those who avail subsidy, the increase would mostly be absorbed by the rise in subsidy. Of the total 27.76 crore retail consumers, 26.12 crore are currently availing subsidy. But there are implications on the economy and on the people. Remember, this comes at a time when petrol diesel prices are increasing, leading to a double whammy for all of us, the Indian consumers. This has a cascading effect on the end consumer price of various goods and daily use items like your vegetables and your food items and your eatables. Cooking is now difficult, buying is now difficult. And at a time when consumer demand was low due to pandemic, more cash in hand would have helped. It is therefore surprising that the government decided to rise the LPG prices now. This takes away more money, the disposable income from those consumers who pay market rates for LPG. As a result, our household budgets are going to go out of proportion. They're bound to go up, especially for those who are not availing the subsidy, making it difficult to meet the end demand, to meet our daily needs. In the light of this hike, remember the total price hike is now 200 rupees. The petrol and diesel prices are high. So while it was difficult to travel, it will be difficult to buy food items as the vegetable price rises, and will also be difficult to cook at home.